Hello everybody. We cooking the potatoes. We fry potatoes. The other ingredients must be fried with the chicken. And nothing. We just cut, slice, and we fry.
Hello everyone, and today me and Mr. Julio,
Hello.
we will make a curry, Indonesian curry, and we already prepare all the ingredients. And sorry because I'm not make a video list from the zero, but we already make some ingredients. And example like we already fried the chicken and make the egg. Already clean out, and then we have some this is all kind of ingredients like garlic and committee and everything stuff we I put in here. So you see will be in the curry, the point of curry. So Mr. Julio, what do you think about this event, this cooking?
I think it's all new for me, and I love the ingredients to make a curry. I want to show you, but I don't know the name. But it's more beautiful ingredients. So which is the name?
This one is like the leaves from the orange, from the like a lemon, and it smell good, right?
Yes, very good.
And this one is a ginger. We put it later when we fried the ingredients, and this smell like almost like a orange leaf. So okay, we will continue to cooking, and see you for the next video. Bye. See you.
See you.